Hi guys, how are you? So right now I am doing this one this heat app. The heat app name is QC Result Quality version 1, and the heat app this heat app is a very good heat app. Right now it is in UHRS. So the basic UI is the same. This is the lease expiry time, so you have to finish your job within this time. This is the guideline link. If any technical issue happen, you have to report from here, and this arrow will return to dashboard. So the main idea of this heat app is to judge the quality of a web page. So the web page, if you install this one, this this extension, UHRS extension, then you can find that the web page will load in the same page as your heat app. So I recommend that you should install this UHRS extension from Google Chrome Store. Okay, and this is the result page. You have to find the quality of this page. You can see that this is the page. Now I am not quite comfortable to work in this snippet or in this overview of this page, so I'm going to open this in a new tab. So this is the page. It is the page hosted in books.google.co uk site, and this is the book snippet or overview of this book. um, so I can read some of the part of this book. And now you have to closely inspect all these web pages. Okay, and after that you have to judge. Like, the first question is, does this page contain harmful or offensive content, like promoting violence, terrorism, discrimination, hate speech, disinformation, or malware or scams? So do you think that Google will promote this kind of hate speech, violence, etc.? Obviously not. This is a simple book, man. So you just you can buy this book by reading some of the part of this book. So obviously it is not promoting any violence, no. So it is no. First question answer is no. Okay, now the second question answer is, how would you rate the usability and style of the result page? So from the guideline you can find that first of all you need to read the guideline very minutely, and basically how ad is placed on the web page. Like, this is the main content, right? This is the ad. So ad on the left side, ad on the right side, upper or lower is good. This will not block the main content. But if this kind of ad placement happens, like within the um, main article, like a clickbait, okay, or over this main content, which actually uh, lower or decrease the user experience, so in that case it is obstructive and not acceptable. So now I am going to judge that whether this is the main content, right? uh, this one, the part of this book. So I can see that this book I can read easily, the part of this book. There is no ad placement within this. So the layout is very good, high, because there is no ad placement over this main content, right? Like this one. So you just need to consult this before answering the second question. Okay. Now third question is that how authoritative or professional is the source. So the authority, uh, Google Books does not produce this books, like it is not a publishing house. Google is not a publishing house. Google is kind of a Google Books is like a aggregator site, right? It picks up information. It basically it is Google Books is an e-commerce site by which you can buy the book. But basically it is an aggregator site. It does not it is not the publisher of this book. It just accumulates the information and it is selling to the customer. So like of a aggregator site. So if you consult this manual again, then you can find that which is the best source, which is the high authority, like the, see here, this one, news sites editorials, these are high authority. Poor authority means clickbait sites, content farm site, spam sites, aggregator sites, like the e-commerce sites, right? This is the e-commerce site. Content farms like publishing some content. Okay, spam sites and site hosting pirated materials. So you need to research by yourself that what is aggregator site, what is content farm site. So basically e-commerce is an aggregator site, and this is an e-commerce site which is selling a book. So it is kind of a aggregator site which picks or accumulate information from various sources. So for this I will click on this poor. Okay, now this is my judgment, right? It may happen that it is a subjective job, so it may happen that your judgment is different from me, but from my best judgment I can see that it is not promoting any hateful information, harmful content. It is in high page quality, the quality the layout is high, but it is an aggregator site. It does not contain, it is not the publisher of this book, Google Book. It is an e-commerce, so it picks or accumulates information. So I am rating like this. And if you have anything in your mind, like you want to more clarify to the owner that why you are choosing this judgment, why you are choosing this and that, you can put your comment or suggestion here. Okay, and you need to just click on the enter button, right? So this is the QC result quality version 1, which is right now available on UHRS. I am publishing this. So if you like this content, like this video, you can like it, you can press the like button. For more informative videos like this, you just need to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you spread this video to your friends and colleagues for extra bucks, those who want to work on UHRS, they can also contact me. I will give my WhatsApp number in the description section. If you have any question, you can question in the comment box right now. So this is the video. This is the QC result quality version 1.0. I hope you enjoyed this video and uh, continue your UHRS earning. Thank you and have a good day.